Hey, what's up, guys? So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install a script inside After Effects. As you can see, this is my script. If I show you, this is my flow script I want to install. So, if you see here, there is a no flow. As you can see, extension, I have some three, uh, script and not this one. This is the flow chart. It's really useful. So, as you can see, this is the folder. Let me go back and just copy this one. Just copy that. And next, go to the C and program file 86. Go to common file, Adobe, and then search CEP folder. Click on that, click extension. And as you can see, there is no flow, Flix and GeoLayer. And if I show you inside After Effects, as you can see, Flix and GeoLayer. So there is no flow here. And as you can see, there's no flow here. So what I'm going to do is just right click and paste here and continue. Once it's done, you just need, as you can see, now it's not actually showing. What you're going to do is just restart your After Effects. So let me restart the After Effects, open the project, and let me show you again. Go to the window and the magic happen. As you can see, flow come. Once you click this, it will load. As you can see, this is the flow script and it's really useful. As you can see, this is the flow, GeoLayer, and all the other things. So my script is completely installed without any problems. This is the easiest way. You can use this script by just a double click on the keyframes. Just let me select the keyframe, as you can see, and you need to double click. As you can see, the graph is now this. If I double click this, the graph will change. The graph change when I double click. So this is a really useful script for the video editor, and this is a really easy way to install script inside After Effects. So I hope you enjoy my video. If you need more tips and tricks, make sure comment which type of tips and tricks of After Effects you want, so I will make that video. So make sure to subscribe my channel to support me. Thank you so much, guys.